Hamza, AI instructor. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hamza, your AI instructor, and today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you. Narrator, British accent. Today, we're diving into a fascinating feature of GPT, turning images into text. Project. Like many students, Amelia had a mountain of handwritten notes and important documents that she needed to digitize. She had a pile of handwritten notes and some important documents that she needed to type out. This task seemed daunting and time-consuming. Narrator. First, Amelia took clear pictures of her handwritten notes using her phone. It's important to ensure the photos are well lit and focused for the best results. Next, she uploaded the picture to GPT. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. With just a few clicks, GPT analyzed the image and converted the handwritten text into digital text. The accuracy is impressive, capturing even the nuances of her handwriting. Hamza, AI instructor. And there you have it. Amelia's story shows how GPT can make your life easier by turning images into text. This feature is not just for students. It's useful for professionals, researchers, and anyone who needs to digitize written information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this amazing feature. Your engagement helps us reach more people and share the wonders of AI technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of GPT. Remember, the future is here and it's powered by AI. So, dive in, experiment, and see how these tools can transform your daily tasks. Saasten.